Are you suffering from knee arthritis pain? Do you have problem in daily activities due to it? Then you are at right place. The meaning of arthritis is inflammation, which involves breakdown of cartilage. Without cartilage, bones rub together, which causes knee movement painful and difficult. Now let's see some physiotherapy exercises and home remedies to cure knee pain. Physiotherapy exercises. First, straighten and raise your leg in lying position, do 10 sets. Second, static quads. Keep small soft ball or roll of small towel under your knee and press it till count of 5 and release it, do 10 sets. Third, sit on the chair with knee and hip at 90-degree angle. Then straight your knee, hold it till count of 5 and again come back, do 10 sets. Home remedies. First, take ginger or ginger powder with lukewarm milk. Second, heat and cold therapy. Use heating pads to rest your knee from stiffness. Use cold pack to reduce pain and swelling in acute condition. Third, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric every day in your meal. Fourth, get a light massage. Fifth, include right fatty acid to your diet. Sixth, avoid citric food like lemon, orange, tomatoes, etc. Practicing these exercises may also reduce the harmful effects of knee arthritis. People with knee arthritis should try to lead healthy lifestyle and make regular visit to doctors. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and do like and share the video. Thank you.